Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane. This week, I'm taking this old foosball table, which if you have kids, specifically boys, they tend to break things. So this one's broken, but I'm going to use the bottom of it. It's perfectly made for a game called Pucket, and that's what I'm going to make. Let's check it out. Well, that's what happens when I don't have painter's tape, and figured that masking tape would substitute. Just peeled the paint right off of that. Now it just looks like a dirty soccer field with really bad grass. It'll be all right. So let's talk about some of the things I learned on this build. One, I learned never to substitute regular masking tape with painter's tape, especially on a painted surface that you're trying to just paint over, because it'll peel the paint right off of it. And that's what happened here. And it's a little frustrating because it looks kind of terrible. Not the finish that I wanted for it to be in this project. Two, I probably should have used a different dowel rod for my little pucks. The oak was a little bit too hard and it just splintered up whenever I cut it on the table saw. And I probably should have just used a softer wood. The next thing I probably shouldn't have done was use spray paint on it. It just takes forever to dry and really wasn't necessary. Let's get back to the video. Yeah, no, I'm completely ready. I'm all in on this game, man. So it is what it is. So I don't think I'm losing at all. But, oh, hey, just sitting here about to play this game of finger hockey Pucket that you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. You really like it, hit that bell, and you'll get another notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So we're going to get back to this, and you guys go out and have a great day. Try and make something awesome. You ready for this?
I'm always ready.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on.
Pay up, old man.
Alright. Alright, you should see it in a few minutes.
See what?
I sent you all my Bitcoin.
Bitcoin? I want some cold hard cash, old man.
That's all I got. It'll be there in